It is Black Friday that I'm filming this, and we are getting ready to do our board and batten wall. I didn't really show you. Bruiser and Aria are helping me supervise. Very exciting. Scott is cleaning the wall and the floor to get ready for board and batten. We have all the wood. Aria and Bruiser are supervising, and Bodie and Timber have been set up in the kitchen. Bodie! Are you not? Oh, they're playing. Look at these cute helpers. Timber. Bruiser. Aria. Oh, Leia. Oh, she ran away. Are you helping too? Hey, kitty. There's a dirty sock on the floor. Oh, Leia, kitty. Why is your couch in the middle of the room? Hey, Bodie. Okay, we have our corner pieces up, and now we're gonna lay everything out to see the spacing. 10/20 night, day 2, and we're taping to paint. Are you excited, Scott? This project has not at all gone to plan. So we're thinking it's gonna need another coat, but here's with one coat done. What do you think, Timber? You guys are ready for bed. Yeah. So, excuse the mess, but this is the wall without the shelf. Aria? So beautiful? So we just stained the shelf, and then we're gonna use these little brackets to hold it up that look like pipe. We got off Amazon, and so once the shelf is up, the board and batten wall will be done. We just need to get like end tables, and we're gonna get a lamp for one of the corners, and the room will be done, but we're close to having this board and batten wall done. Buddy, you say hello? Timber, sit. Oh, that's a good boy. Okay, Scott is bringing up the shelf for our board and batten, but these are the shelf supports that we got. So they look like pipe, obviously. And you can just get them on Amazon. We got the 4-pack, but they also come, I think, in 6 and 8. I'll link them below if I remember. You probably need help with that, huh? Mm-hmm. is done. Now we just have to decorate. Okay, now we get to decorate it.